Let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Hi, baby. Oh. Hey. Hey, you want to come in? Hi. Yeah. Hi. Oh, show me wings. Poppy, show me wings. Oh, wings. Wings. Hi. Wings. Hi. Oh, good boy. You want to go fly? Oh. Oh. Where are you? Hi. Good boy. Hey. No. He's checking you out. Oh. So his name is Hope. He's still a baby. He's only 17 months old. And let's see, like line up right here. Line up. Right here, where's my water bottle? Okay, so just don't touch him. All right, line up, one line. Okay, just where the red thingy is. Where your brother is, yeah. Guys, you want to race with my bird? Okay, let's wait. What are your names?
Kai. Scout.
Scout.
Aiden.
Hi, Aiden.
What's your name? His name's Austin.
All right, let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Woo! Whoa, good boy. And then back, come back. Good job.
Let's go back.
Good job. That was fun. Wow, you guys were fast. That was fun.
He's lucky he could fly.
Yeah, he's flying. He flies fast. I forgot to tell you guys you have to come back. But who was first over there?
Me.
Good job.
I was second. I thought
the bird was the first one to come back.
No, he didn't actually quite make it.
All right, do you guys want to do it again or you want to catch a breath?
Let's catch a breath and then we can do it again.
Okay.
Are you ready again?
Yeah, let's go.
All right. Let's count till 5. 5, 4, 3, hoppy, 2, 1, go! Oh, good boys! And then Hoppy's back here. Good boy, Hoppy! Yeah. Good job! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boys. Guys, good job! Who was first? You again?
The bird was. He was second.
Well, the bird is always fast.
6, 7.
Is it fun racing with a bird?
What?
Is it fun racing with a bird?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I want one.
Have you ever raced with a bird before?
You know?
No? First time?
All I do is race with the birds. How high can you go?
Oh, you can go really high, like airplanes. Yeah. He likes my key.
Doing?
Oh, he wants to break my car key. No, baby. Don't break my car key.
Sometimes I race with the parrots that come in my backyard.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Hi. Hi. You want to to watch us?
Yep.
Yep.
Now
Alright.
we're gonna roll down.
Okay, roll down. Oh, no, don't break it. Don't break it, Hopi. Alright, let's roll down. I'll be right here next to you guys. 1, 2, 3, go! Woo! Hopi, go! Go. Good job! Good job!
Right over my head.
Was it fun or was it scary?
It was fun.
Fun, right?
Again.
Guys, you want to catch your breath a little?
Yeah, let's catch our breath.
It's a beautiful day.
What's the bird's name?
His name is Hope. Yeah. He's still a baby. He's kind of shy for strangers, so you can look but don't touch. He might bite and get spooked.
Does it hurt when you bite?
Oh, it's painful. It doesn't, like, he doesn't bite off your finger, but he bites really, like really
marks?
deep.
Kind of.
Yeah, but
Was it
sometimes
going to your skin?
sometimes it breaks your skin, sometimes it doesn't. Because his beak can, you know, can break nuts. It's really
I
like
saw him popping some up there.
Ready? Now we're gonna run. Ready?
You want to run or you want to roll?
Roll.
You want to roll again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, make a line.
Rolling.
Me. 2.
All in favor
Wait,
of
wait,
running.
1.
Wait, I don't have him yet.
I'm gonna run.
Come on, Dad. You want to roll? Hope, you want to roll with the boys? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Oh. Good job, Hope. Come, baby. Good job. I think you can outrun.
Is it Parrot a boy or a girl?
He's a boy. We thought first it was a girl, but he ended up being a boy.
How do you know parrots are boys? They look.
You make a blood test. You can't see from the outside. You have to like send in a blood test to the lab, and then they can.
There's a lot of like really tiny parrots coming up. Me touch God all the
He
time.
went right past my head. I even felt his feathers.
Was it cool?
Yeah, and he screamed in my
I
ear,
saw
of course.
5 right above me. I was like rolling.
He went right past me like this and screamed in my ear.
All right. So what's your names again? Start you.
Hayden.
How old are you?
Oh, look what it's doing. Look what it's doing. Look what it's doing.
Oh, he's cleaning his feathers. So you are 8, Aiden.
Hayden with 8.
Oh, Hayden. Okay.
I'm Scout.
Scout. How old?
8.
Oh, you're also 8. And you, little one?
5. Austin.
Austin is the youngest.
Kai, 8.
8. You're tall for 8. You're like really tall.
You should see my brother. He's 6. He's 7. He's really tall.
Bye.
I'm Rocket Animate.
You're Rocket,
Yeah, Rocket.
and you're 8 too.
Yeah.
Are you?
I'm Marlo and I'm 9.
And then, oh,
Oh, the bird is back. It's calling.
he's going on a tree.
We're going to see the tree.
Hey guys, guys, come here.
Yeah, go check him out. He likes to play on a tree.